sweating now.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Last Papa No coming to you guys with another video. Alright guys, today we got something super different coming. We got my elementary school friends right here. You guys want to drop your socials and everything for the video?
Haley Kessler. Megan Rodriguez.
Hey, no, we just chilling. But anyways, we're about to do it right along, and we're gonna get their reactions to this Trackhawk right here. 1300 horsepower. What's the fastest car you guys have been in, probably?
Your Mustang. Probably your Mustang.
Really? And that was before it was supercharged, guys. That was only like 500 horsepower, so this is gonna be a lot faster. You guys ready for that though?
Yeah, hell yeah.
All right, come on, let's get into it. Yes, sir. It's all-wheel drive. What? It's all-wheel drive. I can't do it.
Oh, seatbelts, guys?
Definitely seatbelts. I really don't think you guys are ready for this. Like, I can say it's fast, but like, I can't even put it into words fast. Like, you know what I mean?
Is this the fastest car you've ever driven?
Yeah, for sure.
Really?
I've only, yeah, the fastest car I've driven, yeah.
In your video.
Yeah. I'll tell you, it looks fast, but like I'm telling you, like it doesn't give it any justice to how it feels.
No, not at all.
Not even close.
Crazy.
I'll tell you.
Wow, look at the barbers. The barbers AWD, do you see that?
Oh, wait, where? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I do it where we did that one pull right here.
Yeah.
Is it right? Yeah.
A little windy.
Oh yeah.
Well, we not running this AC. Gas ain't cheap.
I'll try to pull it up when we do the pull. That's an undercover. That's an undercover cop. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Imagine.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Nah, I'll tell you, like from a dead stop too, it's even.
I was like glued to the seat. That made my brain like jumble. Oh my god. I'm sweating now. And you did this shit with your mom? Like a roller coaster.
Yes. I'll tell you, from a dead stop, like it's even scarier too. Like.
I don't know if I'm prepared for that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What did you guys rate that out of 10?
No, that was worse. That was like a 10. I don't get scared on roller coasters, Gabe. But that. Oh my god. Does it feel different up here?
Yeah. Does it? Actually, you don't even know. I don't know.
That's so crazy.
No, not really.
Okay.
Well, actually, yeah.
I got little people around. Custom. Alright, let's do it and get the fuck out of here. It's gonna be shut. I'm just gonna do it right here.
I will say, it's way more intense in the front seat. Oh yeah, no, that's way different. Back here, it's not that bad.
You're still clenching out hard.
I know.
It got a little bit squirmy, but it was still cool. I guess it is a different experience in the front. I've never been in the back.
It's way different in the front.
For real?
Yeah, way scarier.
I think it's because it lifts
How
up.
fast did we get up there?
I actually didn't see it. I'd be looking at the road. So what you think from the front seat?
That was crazy. I don't know what my face did.
So were you trying to keep your
I was
face up?
trying to. I think I like put my head down. I don't know. I just whatever I did in the front. I don't know.
I don't know either. I just held a straight face whenever I'm racing. I actually don't know what my face is like either. I might be a thumbnail myself.
Please make Megan's face the thumbnail, not
Whichever one's worse. So. Maybe I'll do half and half. Just cut my face out, have Buckley have the face. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. This little switch right here. If you switch it down, the AC, it uses the AC to like cool down the engine.
I saw that in your last video.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's pretty cool. But if I click that, She's okay. I need to get a built motor for it. We'll have her back in a second though. Give me like 2 months and we'll be back. Or if the YouTube blows this video up, maybe just one video. I'm gonna try to do one more.
Gabe, I'm pretty sure you hit 100, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, we hit 100 that time. I looked just like shit. Yeah, and this is in Mexico, of course.
That was crazy. That one was insane. I was just glued by.
Yeah, I think it's because I cooled it down. Like, I'm telling you, when the car is cool, like, this thing runs immaculate, even more. I need to get me one of these myself. A little something light, y'all.
Something light.
What if I said it was on 500 mode the whole time? I just want you guys to know that the car wasn't even turned all the way up yet.
No.
So like, I swear, like next time, at least another like 100 to 200 horsepower or so. Just know next time.
That makes it faster?
A lot faster. Just know it's gonna be crazy fast next time you guys ride it.
Okay, I can't wait.
You guys should tell them to all like, comment, and subscribe. You guys do that.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow Haley Kessler, Megan Rodriguez, Lavish 5.0, Lavish 5.0.
Yeah.
Subscribe to the YouTube.
Like I said, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.